YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Here we have a beautiful 1971 Hoover Senior 6525C. Now you might recognise this machine on previous videos on my YouTube channel. Don't be deceived, this is my second 6525C. As you can see in the description below, that's what it says, my second. So yes, after seeing this advertised on Facebook, I couldn't resist. Definitely a very nice £70. After getting rid of my first one, I quite regretted it, to be honest. I needed the money at the time, but I really wanted to have another 652 series in my collection for keeps. So this will be a keeper. This will be replacing my Hoover Turbo Power 1000. My mum's going to put it on Spock, so look out for that. But yes, so what we're going to do for you guys is we're going to give you a little demo of this machine. Believe me, it does sound very different to my first one, and I think the motor is a lot better. The condition, I think my first one was in a bit better condition than this. This is very second hand. But not too bad, not too bad, not too shabby, not too bad. No faults at all that I can say at all. But yes, so we're going to give you a short demo, and we're also going to do a cornflake demo in the future. But you don't need to see a full flat demo, as there is already one out on my channel with my previous 6525C. So please enjoy. Okay, here we go. So there we go, my YouTubers, thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed the video. So there you go, you see, it performs a lot better than my first one did, and sounds so much better as well. As I say, it's got war rooms all over it, but you know, it's not too bad, it really is not too bad at all. So yes, hope you've enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.